What's up, guys? Would you be interested in a $50,000 sales funnel and how to make that $50,000 sales funnel? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in today's video. So stay tuned. All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about how to build that $50,000 funnel. So before we get started, if you haven't been to my channel, welcome. If you have been here, welcome back. Hit that subscribe button. Give me some likes. If you like the content, give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about this content, post it below and I will reply. Again, guys, this channel is all about make money, passive income, affiliate marketing, and work from home. Basically, that's what my channel is about. It's online entrepreneurship. All right, guys, so let's get on with today's video. If you have any interest on a funnel building software, it will be linked in the description below. And if you have any interest in my #1 recommended program, it will be in the description below as well. All right, guys, so let's get on with today's video about the 50K funnel and how you can put this together. And guys, this is a very simple process, but very hard to implement because it takes time and it takes lots of practice to get your wording right inside of all this stuff. But the general philosophy here and what I'm going to show you is gold. All right, so once you understand how to make this sales funnel and how it works, you could take it anywhere you want and make a profit with it. You can sell any service or platform or product anytime with this knowledge. All right, so what I'm going to show you today, you can take with you and you can teach it, you can do it. So one thing I wish for you guys is that you take massive action and you put what I talk about into your daily exercise. All right, so let's go on over here to this drawing board. All right, so what is a funnel and what is the 50K funnel? It could be a 50K funnel, could be a 20K funnel, could be a $100,000 funnel, could be $1 million funnel. It all depends on the traffic that you're driving to your product and what the product is, right? How much commissions you can make off that product. If it's one little product that you're only making $15 commissions or $30 commissions, you might not be making 100,000. But if you're able to make $2,000 commissions, then it's very possible. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here. What we want to start with is I'm going to start with an opt-in page. So this is the very first piece. All right. So this is where your traffic's going to come in, and you're going to drive traffic from, Facebook. It could be Instagram. It could be Reddit. Could be YouTube. Wherever it is, right? You got this opt-in page. You got all these things, right? And they're all shooting to your opt-in page. So they're all these pieces of traffic are shooting to your opt-in page, right? So when they get to your opt-in page, they're going to put in their name and email, and there's going to be some wording up here, how to make $100 a day or whatever it is, and they're going to put in their email address. All right. So the most important part is this traffic. Where are you driving your traffic from? Is it on Facebook? Is it on YouTube traffic? Is it Instagram? Is it Reddit? Is it the web? Is it your whatever it is, LinkedIn? It could be wherever this traffic's coming from. It's just got to be pushed. It could be a solo ad, but it's got to come into your offer, right? So the very first thing is they're going to opt in. The next thing if we're going to do is they're going to go to a bridge page. So we're going to call this a bridge page, but this ain't really a bridge page. We'll call this the bridge page. All right. So they're going to come in, they're going to go to a bridge page. All right. They're going to go to a bridge page. And when they get to the bridge page, this is your video telling them what they're about to go to. And this is going to give them a button to say, hey, go here, give me access, give me instant access, or whatever it may be. All right. And then the next page is going to be a sales video. And this is going to be where the product is sold. All right. So that's the very next thing in line. So it's very important that you get your traffic to opt in. You personalize it with your bridge page. And guys, this is money right here. This is very important because this is how people get to know you, build trust, and get to like you. And that's what you need because you're not going to make very many sales on the front end. So when you drive all this traffic, you're collecting their email address here. They get to know you here, right? Then they're going to go over here to this sales page and they're going to listen to somebody else talk about this product or service that you told them about over here. And then they're going to have a call to action, whether that's, click here to get started or whatever it is. They're going to click here to get started, and then it's going to give them an offer. All right, so it's going to give them an offer over here, and that offer's going to have them purchase this product. And then, of course, there could be upsells later down the road or things in that nature. So there could be an upsell here, and then there could be another upsell here, right? So it could keep going like this. So your funnel, you opt in, you send them to sales page, they like you, they go to the next page, they get access, then they get to the sales video of the product, and they're like, hey, I kind of like this product. I'm going to see if I get access. Get access, and they sign up. Maybe this is like a $30, $40 offer. They sign up for the program, and then they get an upsell for maybe another product. Maybe that's a $79 product, and then they'll get another upsell for maybe $1,000 product, right? So they'll keep getting upsells, and this is how most funnels work. But there's one very critical piece missing because one thing that's missing here, let's back this up some, is the follow-up. So the follow-up, guys, is very important, all right? So the follow-up is what matters in this game. The follow-up is very important, right? Without the follow-up, you're not going to make a bunch of money because people don't usually buy on the first exposure. The gold is in the follow-up. All right, so what I mean by follow-up is emails. All right, lots and lots of email. And you're going to send emails. So you got their email, right? You got their email, and you're going to send out a follow-up series from an autoresponder, right? I like to send at least 7 to get their attention, right? So what's going to happen is as soon as they opt in, they're going to get an email from you. Whether they go to this pages or not, they're going to get an email, and that email is going to, this is going to be a welcome email, right? Saying, hey, how are you? My name is Zeb. Whitelist my email address. Go to my YouTube channel. Check me out on Facebook. It's just getting them to know you. It's basically having them understand what you're telling them on this page, that you're actually a real person. You're not trying to sell them on this video. This email, this very first email, is your welcome email. All right. Your next email, it's going to be another non-sell email, maybe very little about anything. It's going to be offering them maybe a free ebook or something in that nature. The next email, this email, we can start pointing them to a link to this sales video. So you're going to keep linking them to this video, right? Each one of these is going to link to this, back to this video. All right. So we're going to keep doing that, and they may want it, they may not. Maybe this one will send them back to another free ebook, and this one will link back to the sales page again, right? So these emails are set up here, and these could be anywhere from 4 to 30 to 45. Most people do not buy anything until they get 6 to 12 exposures. All right, so that's the typical uh, mental buying power, right? So when we go see something for the first time, we call BS, right? Instantly, we're like, it's a bunch of BS. I don't know if I trust this. I'm gonna go research it. And then when you're researching it, at the same time, you're sending them emails so they don't forget that you're the one that sent them this offer, because they could very easily go to somebody else and buy that offer. So that's why this follow up is so very important, because most people are going to bounce through this. They're going to get here, and they're going to be, I don't know, I'm not going to purchase. I'm going to go research this some. And while they're researching it, you're sending them emails explaining more and more about what this is, right? You may be sending them videos or something in that nature. What you're doing is you're reiterating what this is already doing, right? What this piece, you're going to keep pointing them back, and more traffic is going to come in here. So this email list is growing, and at the same time, this list is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And what you can do is you can start sending them to new offers. You can start sending them through this whole process again, right? But you don't need this opt-in page anymore, because you already own this traffic. This traffic is yours. It's no longer nobody else's, it's yours. So this email address, as long as they stay subscribed to you, you can push other products. But the one thing I want to iterate here is that you can't be promotion. You got to provide value to your audience, right? So I know the 80-20 rule. I've spoke about that in one of my videos. The Gary V method, the jab, 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 right hook. He does value, promotion. So you got to keep that in mind, guys. You can't try to sell constantly. You got to give people value, because they want to build trust. And once they trust you, they will buy from you. But if they don't trust you, they won't buy. So if you just start selling right off the bat, they're going to be like, this is just another person trying to sell me something. All right. So that's a very valuable lesson. And it took me a while to figure that out. And once I did, that's when the sales started coming. So when you start providing value to people, people start to trust you and realize that you're a genuine person that wants to help, right? And that's what it's all about. It's not just about selling something. It's about finding a product that you're passionate about, that you use, and that you trust, right? I'm not going to sell a product that I don't use myself and that I don't trust, right? If it's like a scam that I bought and now just want to make my money back, I'm not going to sell that to other people, because that's just not the person I am, right? I'm going to be like, well, I bought that. It's no good. Move on. Let me find something else that I feel passionate about, that I can give to other people, that they can use to learn, profit from. All right. So that's what you want to do. And this can work with anything, right? You can put this together. You could use a system like Builderall, like I speak of in a lot of my videos, because that platform is perfect, especially for the beginner affiliate marketer. If you're just a new affiliate marketer, you don't know anything about the sales funnel, and you're looking for software to do this, Builderall is the software that you can use that does it all. All right, and very cheap. You can get in there, you can start building out your funnel, and you can be an affiliate to the product to learn how to become an affiliate marketer, right? So guys, this is golden. You can do this. You don't even have to have a product. Once you build out the funnel, you can use ClickBank. You can just be an affiliate for ClickBank and promote products, right? You find a product that you feel that's pretty legit. You can buy that product, or you don't even have to buy that product. You can look at reviews on it, and if it feels like something that you're passionate about, something in your niche, and this works for any niche. This could be health and fitness. This could be uh, beauty. This could be pets. Whatever it is, it'll work with whatever. It don't matter what it is. Just go do it. So guys, hopefully you got some value out of this. And I know I speak about this a lot, but this is so very important for the online entrepreneur. If you really want to be an online entrepreneur, an affiliate marketer, a digital marketer, whatever that is, the laptop lifestyle earner, then this is very important. If you don't do this, then you're not going to make it. All right, you got to understand this method. You got to have the tools, and of course, you got to know a little bit of technical stuff. That's why I like Builderall, because it teaches you everything you need to know about all this so you can start earning income. All right, so is this easy? No, it's not. But is it worth it? Yes, it is, because you can make a passive income while you sleep. Once you have this set up, it's all automatic. All right, you just drive the traffic. Guys, what my wish for you is that you take massive action. You start this process and you become an affiliate marketer and live that laptop lifestyle. All right, guys, again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about building a funnel, post them below and I will reply. All right, guys. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace out. Have a good day. And I will see you on the other side.